Kirkwood is an incredibly special place. The toughest thing about being the new guy is preserving the culture, the vibe that makes it so unique. Fortunately, I've had a lot of help along the way.
Pow Pow, blower powder, cold smoke pow, mad pow, there's all sorts of mad pow, Powgasmic pow, popcorn pow, Bolivian marching pow, Hell's Yeah pow, white room pow, cherry pow, sick wicked pow, that day pow, chowder powder, deep powder, blower powder, Colorado powder, but you know, that's only boot top powder, Rick James pow, and powderlicious pow, lift line chair 6 first thing in the morning pow. It's just amazing out there. Freshie pow, shredderating pow. Casey, so much pow. This has been such a great day.
Well, the one thing I've learned is we get a heck of a lot of snow here.
Airbag.